Hey, this is Shay back again, and in this video I want to show you 3 networks where I recently just started 3 new campaigns making money online. It's already doing about $300 plus per day, and I recently showed my students these campaigns to help motivate them to go out there and make their own make money online campaigns. So without going through too much more, I just want to jump straight into one of the networks here. The first network I want to show you that I just started a few days ago. As you can see, I started this campaign just about 3.5 days or so ago on the 8th of May, alright? And today is the 11th, and we are just over halfway through the day or so right now at this point. But as you can see in this network, it's really taken off. Alright, so it's picking up right here. So this is what a normal campaign would look like. And just to point out also, you're probably wondering what these 2 columns behind revenue actually are. These columns are revenue per click, and this is the click count, obviously. And if you just take notice here, just on the first day I started it, there's 1 click. Alright, and $4.84 was made in revenue. Alright, so if that doesn't make it super clear, yes, I'm actually getting paid for clicks. That's what one of the methods is that I teach to my students, and it's actually new to a lot of them. They've never heard of it, and even some that have heard of it, they've never experienced getting paid for clicks themselves. And maybe you have heard of it or haven't heard of it yourself, but let me tell you, when you know how to get paid by generating clicks, it's some of the easiest money you will ever make online. And this is something that I teach to my students every single day. So that's the first network right there. I'm now just going to jump over to the next network that I want to show here. And as you can see, I've got loaded up the exact same date right here up to today, the 11th of May. Alright, so started the campaign on the 8th, and you can see the payouts on this one. The average is actually $6.16 on that one, and you can see the earnings. They sort of jump around a little more on this network. Pretty stable straight away, actually. But as you can see, again, because I'm getting paid, $6.30 per click, you really don't have to generate that much traffic, and that is the really cool thing about this. So some really cool earnings in this one right here, and right now I just want to move on to the third network as well. So I've already just got this expanded out here just so you can see the date straight away, but as you can see, the same dates are showing again from the 8th of May to the 11th right there, so for today. And if we just look at these 2 specific highlighted in the pinkish reddish color right here, these are 2 of the main campaigns that I'm actually running in this network right here. So as you can see, $358 made just on this one campaign, and $295 on this one right here. And I've actually got another little campaign that I was actually testing that didn't run as good so far. As you can see, about the same amount of traffic was sent. 300 on that one, and 276 there. 328 on this one as well. But as you can see, the earnings were definitely far less than these 2. 358, 295 again, and this one only did about $43. Still a total of 702, and again it averages out between these 3 networks about $300 a day already, and I only just started this campaign, as you can see, a few days ago. So it's running absolutely awesome so far. And again, I really enjoy showing these brand new campaigns I started from scratch to my students, because they really enjoy seeing these kinds of campaigns to prove that it's still possible to make money online from scratch. From making a completely brand new campaign, it's still possible if you know what you are doing, and of course if you have somebody there to tell you and show you exactly what to do on a daily basis. And you know what? I can show you how to do the same thing as well. But here's the thing, I'm only willing to work with truly serious people. And if you are still watching this video up to now, to this point, that does tell me that you are serious. So while I have this thing open and I'm willing to show the serious people, if you are serious, I'm willing to show you how I'm creating these campaigns. And I'm willing to show you how to do the same starting today. All you have to do is take action right now. And all you have to do to take action now is click the link in the description. So find the description around this video, click the link, and it'll be just a short bit.ly link right at the top just to get quickly over to my site. As soon as you are on my site, and I'm just going to show you as well right here on my site. Okay, so as soon as you are here, after clicking the link in the description, all you have to do is enter your email address right here. So your best email address, enter it in right here, and then click the Get Instant Access button right here. As soon as you've done that, I'm going to send you a welcome email to provide you with all the information that you need to get started right now. So it's important to go check that email address that you just typed in. Go check your inbox, look for my email, my welcome email, so you can get access to everything I'm providing to you to get started today. Do it now. Again, while I still have this open, I'll show you everything I'm doing, and that includes even campaigns that I've had running for multiple years now. I'll show you how I'm doing it. You're going to get access to everything that my students see. So go do those steps right now. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to working with you really soon.